Welcome back, guys and girls. We are gonna be, well, it's gonna be a short one today. I'm not gonna be doing too much. I got so much to do. It's only halfway done, and I already took a vehicle in to get serviced. Went and got a physical done, and that took up half a fucking day. I did wash my personal truck too, so. What we are going to be doing today is taking some measurements and getting this thing out of here. I got some bits to do it, so I'll get back at ya when we're taking measurements. Hey guys. So I got everything cleaned up down here. I'm gonna have to wait till next weekend when everything dries out. I'll get back to this. Just cleaned it up. Used some bleach and, like, I don't know, something. Just bleach and hot water, and that's got me throwing up like crazy. No, I did not drink it. It's just scrubbing the floor and the walls, and next thing I know, I'm upstairs and head in a toilet. So I'll get back to work on this next week, and well, all we have to do now is measure and build, and we're off to the races. So I look forward to seeing you guys there, and have a good week. Over and out.